And my friends, it is Ian Stewart here. I am the proud owner of Buildabizonline. And for you older ones, yes, this is Buildabizonline. I've made quite a few changes just lately, and that's why I needed to do a brand new intro video so that we can explain to the new ones and yourself what we are doing. Now, Buildabizonline is a marketing funnel to help you make more money with your personal program, your personal programs and Buildabizonline itself. Now, I'm going to show you an image right now, okay? This is the image. This is the Buildabizonline funnel. And what happened was you joined Buildabizonline, so thereby you entered into your sponsor's funnel. Okay, now what they did when they joined their sponsor's funnel, they completed, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment, they joined some income streams. And then they started promoting their links, and they started to make $2 plus by promoting the links and somebody upgrading underneath them so they could make from $2 plus as a free member. But a lot of our members, they have upgraded, and then it enabled them to add programs to a programs page, and I'll show you all this in a moment. I'll show you my programs page, but this programs page that we talk a lot of here at Buildabizonline was our very first tool. And you can add up to 20 ads on your personal page as a pro member. They also added 10 banners onto their banner page. I shall show you that as well. And what most people do with that, most members, they put their traffic programs on there. So traffic exchanges, safe lists, viral mailers, and so on. And then when they did that, so when they upgraded, added these programs, added these banners, they started to promote their affiliate links, which I'll show you in a moment. And they could then earn $6 from people upgrading under them at Buildabizonline. And they could make plus by having people join these programs under the banner section and the ads and also the income streams. So you entered into your sponsor's funnel, and we want you to complete all of this as much as you want. 1, 2, 3. It's entirely up to you. Take your time and complete 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you can create your funnel. And then out the bottom will drop dollars. Now, I've got to tell you this before we carry on. The commissions from programs, that's either your programs, added here, or the income streams, or Buildabizonline itself, they vary and they're not guaranteed. You have to work, and each member works. Some work harder than others. Some people have got more time than others. So there's no guarantee, but there's a likelihood the more that you do, the more you can make promoting your programs through the Buildabizonline funnel. Now, I'm going to go over to the members area because our older members, this is a brand new setup. I sent out an email, as I said, and I got a lot of feedback saying it's overwhelming in the members area. It's too much. I can't cope with it. So this is what I've done. I've made it simpler. And it's called Your Daily Action Plan. And what I want you to do as a free member and a pro member, if you're watching this for the first time, click on this link. Do this now. And this is all part of your funnel. I've not watched this video yet all the way through, so I'm not going to tick that. But once I accomplish one of these, I click it. Okay. So the thing is, click one at a time, go through it nice and steady. Okay. And then all the links are to the right hand side. So that's the first thing to do. Even if you are a pro member, I want you to go through this. Okay? So that's gone. Later on, when you're ready, we have our traffic coach. That is just loading, and so there it is now. I want you to fill in this side, and I want you to be honest and put the level that you are on there, which I am a pro executive, which is the highest one that we do. And my niche, make money online. That's what I created Buildabizonline for, and that's what I am doing online businesses for. Okay? My goal at the moment is list building, and I generally use traffic sources, traffic co-ops. Okay, that's what I generally use. You can put down there whatever you want, and that will help you when you click on this button. And what it's done is generated using these details. It's generated something that I've got to do today. Okay. Now we use this in conjunction with what we call AI Jane. So if I was to copy that prompt, okay, and then go over to Jane and then click there, left click and then paste, and then send that. Is my volume off? Because she will speak, it is off. Okay, there are some prompts because AI Jane is AI. And what I asked her to do with these prompts is to make me something that I can post in something like Facebook, Instagram, those sort of things. Then when you've done that, you can go to the next one. If one of your downline has contacted you, this will create the message for you. It won't post it for you, but we can use that in here. Email your downline. Okay? And I want you to do that on a daily, no, I don't want you to do it on a daily basis. I want you to do it on a weekly basis. Okay, so that would be the reply message. If somebody's contacted you, you can reply to them in their Gmail using this. Okay, next thing, 10-minute. It'll tell you the next things that you really need to do to get your business flowing. There's a follow-up email there. And also we've got a weekly downline encouragement email. So that is where I want you to copy this one. And I want you to use that link just there. Email your downline. Do that once a week. If you're a pro member and you have not been emailing your downline, you're a very naughty person. You should be encouraging them. Don't bombard them with join this, join that. I'm making thousands, I'm making millions with this. Don't do that. And we teach you here how to love and value your downline. Okay, these are all important links. Now, some people say, yeah, but where are your tools? So I'm going to close that down. And I'm just going to click on this now. This is where all the tools are at Buildabizonline. Now, if you're starting, you're in starter mode, you can still make money with Buildabizonline by doing this. Okay, income streams. And that goes to that page where you can join or add your usernames to our income streams. That way, when somebody joins under you, you can make money. Now, those programs are free to join and free to make money with. Okay? So as a free member, you can make money with those programs. But I think the top one in there, you will upgrade at least to the $10 one-time payment. That's my speculation on that one. I'm not prompting you to do it, but that's what most people have done. So let me just tell you about these links. Oh, and by the way, earn credits by clicking on the ads to the right-hand side of this page. So we have got some ads. I'll just do one. That opens up in a new page. I've had a bit of a cold, so I'm slurring a bit. Okay, and I've earned 1 credit as a pro member, and now that ad has disappeared. Now the great thing is, as a pro member, your credits will never run out. They'll auto. You've got to. I tell a lie. Let me just clear that up. Okay, your credits will never drop below 100 because there'll always be 100 in your pot. But don't forget to add the credits to your ads so that they stay active. That's a better way of putting it, isn't it? So every time I click on here, look, it says there, click ads to earn 1 credit. Now, if you're a free member, it will be half a credit, so you'll have to work twice as hard. That's another great reason to upgrade. So I'm just going to go from just here to the tools, because we have a plethora of tools. And these are put together initially for myself and for friends, but I wanted to share them with the world because they've helped me make a full-time living online. I can do that. I can make a full-time living, by the way, and a lot of people are catching up with me simply by promoting Buildabizonline and putting my programs in that programs on that programs page. Okay, so this is our autoresponder. When you are a pro member, you click on there and you register, and then you must let admin know. Otherwise, it'll just stay there unless I happen to just log in to the responder and the admin area and see you sitting there. So if you let me know, that'll be great. And then you can log in here and you can build as many capture pages, as many campaigns as you wish. And you can also have as many, if you are as many campaigns as you wish if you are upgraded, okay, and as many campaigns as you wish if you're upgraded to Pro Executive. If you are Pro Plus, then you only get 50 campaigns, but that's enough for most people, but with unlimited subscribers. Sorry, I explained that in a bit of a splutter, but I felt myself I was going to cough. Right, so all the tools are underneath. I wanted, when I first started, to build my own splash pages to stand out from the rest of those who were promoting the same programs as myself. So to stand out from all the noise. So if you belong to GDI and everybody was using their banner and their splash page or capture page, every single one of them, people are just going to pass it by because they've seen it again and again and again. The simple splash page, you can do that. You can make your own. If you want to make your own templates, you can do that there. There's various other things in here. Now, a new tool that we've added is the Pro Banner Generator. You can make all your own regular sizes, 468, 250 square. so on and so forth, those sort of things. And if you make multiple ones using the same template, then you can stitch them all together and make an animated banner with this new tool that I built earlier on this week. There is a plethora of tools over 40. And also when you build your banners or animate your banners, you can host them with Buildabizonline just here, and that's free to upgraded members. We have a mailer manager and so on and so forth. I'm not going to go through all these. I just wanted to make this introductory video, and I'm going to go back now to this very, very simple members area now. So I'm hoping when I get some feedback that this is a lot better, but I've had to make a brand new intro video because I've altered everything, and people were looking at the old video and saying, where's this, where's that? Well, we've got no left-hand menu, and we've got no tons of information down the center. You've just got 2 buttons to click, and I'd like you to do this. Get on top of it now, get your funnel set up and start promoting. And those links can be found just here. Your promotional links are there, and there is a plethora of them. I'd like you to build your own, but there are some splash pages, capture pages, and various other things. And there you've got your promotional banners, and you've got some pre-written ad copies. And as I say, you can view your downline. I'm not going to click on that because people's emails will be there. Okay. So when you get somebody come into your downline, get over here, the traffic coach, and make sure that you say hi to them. Ask them if you can help them. Okay, so everything is here, just in these 2 little buttons. And this is our toolbox and the rest of your profile links and things. Okay, we've got plenty of training. There's a training video just there for the coach. Okay, that's not changed. So thank you for joining Buildabizonline if you are brand new, and if you've been with us for some time, welcome back to your brand new members area. This is Ian saying thank you, bye for now, and I'll see you in a training video.